Hello, in this video I want to show you how to factory reset ASUS VIVOBOOK. To do this, we'll need to click on the start, then select that gear icon and go to the settings. Here find the updates and security, then recovery. We can reset this PC by clicking on get started. Now you can choose different options to keep your files, but it will remove apps and the settings. There's also option to remove everything, which is the factory reset, and I'm gonna choose this one. Now while this thing is loading, we can get the charger, so be sure to connect the charger to the battery. Otherwise you won't be able to perform this factory reset, and keep in mind that you can't disconnect it. It needs to be connected all the time. Now we can choose how we want to reinstall our Windows using cloud or a local, and I'm gonna go for local files. Then click next, and here is the message, so we need to plug in our PC. I'll be right back. So I've just connected the laptop, and then now the reset has begun, and we just need to wait a few moments, then click reset again. And here this process will take around half an hour to even an hour, maybe even faster. Just wait through it, and I'll be right back with you when the reset is done. And so the reset is basically finished. Only thing left to do is to perform the first setup, and it's pretty much straightforward, as you just click yes, next, and etc. So that will be it for this video, and that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.